Gundam Factory Yokohama, located in Odaiba, is an entertainment complex dedicated to the iconic Gundam franchise. The highlight is a life-sized, moving RX-78-2 Gundam statue, standing 18 meters tall. Visitors can enjoy interactive exhibits, learn about the engineering behind the Gundam, and even watch the giant robot in action. The complex also features a Gundam-themed cafe and a shop selling exclusive merchandise. It's a must-visit for fans and those interested in Japanese pop culture and robotics.